Foreign transaction fees are charges imposed by banks or credit card companies when you make purchases outside your home country or in a currency different from your own. These fees are designed to cover the costs associated with processing international payments and currency conversions. Typically, they apply when you use your card to buy goods or services while traveling abroad or when shopping online from international retailers. The fee is usually calculated as a percentage of the total transaction amount. Not all cards charge these fees, so it's important to check the terms of your account before making foreign purchases. Understanding when and why these fees are applied can help you avoid unexpected costs and manage your spending more effectively while abroad. Foreign transaction fees are charges applied by banks and credit card companies when you make purchases or withdraw cash in a currency other than your own. Typically, these fees range from 1% to 3% of the transaction amount. The calculation is straightforward. If you spend $100 abroad and your card has a 2% foreign transaction fee, you'll pay an additional $2. Some institutions may split the fee, with a portion going to the card network, such as Visa or MasterCard, and the rest to your bank. These fees are usually added automatically to your statement and can apply to both in-person and online international purchases. It's important to review your card's terms, as some cards offer no foreign transaction fees, which can save you money when traveling or shopping internationally. Foreign transaction fees are commonly encountered in a variety of everyday situations. For instance, when shopping online from international retailers, your credit card may process payments in a foreign currency, triggering these fees. Similarly, while traveling overseas, purchases made at restaurants, hotels, or shops using your card can also result in foreign transaction charges. Even booking flights, accommodations, or services from companies based outside your home country may incur these additional costs. It's important to be aware of these scenarios so you can anticipate and manage any extra expenses that might arise during international transactions. International transaction fees are charged by banks and credit card companies to cover the expenses involved in processing payments across borders. When a purchase is made in a foreign currency, financial institutions must convert the amount into the cardholder's home currency, which often incurs additional costs. These fees also help offset the risks associated with fluctuating exchange rates and the complexities of international payment networks. Furthermore, banks may need to pay third-party processors or comply with regulatory requirements in different countries, all of which contribute to the overall cost. By charging these fees, financial institutions ensure that they can maintain secure and reliable services for global transactions. When traveling internationally or making purchases from foreign merchants, foreign transaction fees can quickly add up. One effective way to avoid these charges is to select credit or debit cards that specifically waive foreign transaction fees. Many banks offer cards designed for frequent travelers, which can help you save money on every purchase. Alternatively, consider using payment methods like digital wallets or local currency cash, which may reduce or eliminate extra fees. Always check with your financial institution to understand their fee structures before you travel. By planning ahead and choosing the right payment options, you can minimize unnecessary expenses and make your transactions more cost-effective. Understanding foreign transaction fees is essential for anyone who travels internationally or shops online from overseas retailers. These fees can add up quickly, often going unnoticed until they appear on your statement. By being aware of how and when these charges apply, you can make smarter choices about which payment methods to use. This knowledge empowers you to seek out cards or services that minimize or eliminate extra costs. Ultimately, staying informed about foreign transaction fees helps you keep more of your money, making your travel and online shopping experiences more affordable and enjoyable.